In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Airtable's grid view and create recurring dates within your grid view really easily and really simply. So first thing is, when you use Airtable's grid view and you have a date field, you can simply use this drag down to populate all of the selected cells with the first cell's date. So that's really easy, really simple. Say you have two dates which are 2 days apart, from 523 to 525, and you want every date within this these next couple of tasks to have dates that are 2 days apart as well. So if we select those first two and drag down, we'll see that pattern continues, similar to your typical drag down functionality in Excel. So the last thing I'll show you is how to do that for a week apart. So if we want to go from 523 to 530, all we need to do is change those first two, the span between the first two, to be a week. Select both, and then drag down, and every day after that will also be 1 week apart from each other. So that is how to use recurring dates in Airtable's grid view really simply and really easily. Stay tuned for the next video.